We don't owe no $9 million because the government of Guyana has not guaranteed paying back to any investor money lost or gained from their investment in the oil and gas sector. When the citizen, the debt becomes a burden on the citizen, is when the debt is contracted by or guaranteed by the state. Only then it becomes a burden on the people.
That was Guyana's Vice President Dr. Bharrat Jagdeo speaking during a press conference on Wednesday, where he dismissed contentions that each Guyanese owe ExxonMobil about $9 million due to the debt the company's local affiliate has amassed to fund oil exploration and production offshore. It wasn't just that he rejected the assertions, the former president also explained what he believed was a flawed analysis. He noted that citizens would only incur a debt if the state agrees beforehand to accept that debt. And in this case, there is no such agreement for Guyana to accept or bear any of ExxonMobil's debt.
In this case, no such guarantee is extended to any debts that the Exxon has. So we don't owe any money. If they can't pay it back, then they can levy on the assets of the company, the investors, but not on the treasury, not on the consolidated fund. So that is why we don't owe no money. That's wrong, that to say we all owe this money.
Oil companies can only recover their costs when they start producing oil. As such, even if a company spends millions of dollars searching for oil, but they are unsuccessful, they stand the costs alone, the vice president also said. Like Jagdeo, Philip Retima, the vice president and business services manager of ExxonMobil's local affiliate, Esso Exploration and Production Guyana Limited, guaranteed that Guyana will not bear any of the company's debt. He said this while engaging reporters on Wednesday.
No, there's no responsibility to Guyana, the government of Guyana, for our investments. The investments are made by our investors in the projects, and it's the projects themselves that need to pay back the investment. If for some reason, we think this is unlikely, but if for some reason the projects don't pay back, there would be no liability, no debt to Guyana or the people of Guyana.
As per the oil contract, the oil companies operating offshore are able to recover up to 75% of their costs when oil revenues are accumulated. The remaining 25% of revenues is split equally between the companies and the government. The government also gets an additional 2% in royalties from the total revenues. EEPGL, Hess, and CNOOC are co-ventures in the Stabroek Prolific block. They share the costs and profits based on their varying stakes in the project. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Ragobeer.